Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm preparing some curry chickpeas. This is very delicious, packed with protein and lots of good benefits. So here is our starting ingredients. We have some bell pepper, garlic, thyme, add pepper and scallion, and we're going to add some pimento seed later on. We're going to wash these properly and cut and set aside. Also, we're going to need our chickpeas, our coconut milk, our curry and added powder seasoning. And this one is self-explanatory, so catch you guys at the end of the video. And I want to take the time out to thank all my returning supporters. Thank you guys for the support. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And if you want to see more chickpeas recipe, please check in the description box. I'll link my full chickpeas playlist down there. So catch you guys at the end of the video, guys. Keep on watching. Also, further on in the video, I'm going to link what is chickpeas and the health benefits of chickpeas. So keep on watching, guys.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
end of another video, guys. Yes, this is almost ready to serve. I want to take a time out again to thank you guys for the support. Thanks for all those watching my video, liking my video, and always leaving those nice comments. I appreciate you guys a lot. But if for instance that you're watching for the first time, please join the family by tapping the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And here is my plating, guys. Yes, I garnish with some green onion, scallion. So thanks again, guys, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.